family? You already know what time it is. It's your girl Shay, and I am back. Right back with another video. That's right, y'all. And you already know what time it is. I'm tired. These videos be taking my energy. Ooh, this cooking food for my kids taking my energy. Anyway, I'm back up in the kitchen. I got on my shirt so you know that you cooking with Chef. Mom, Shay, you cutting up with Chef. Mom, Shay, turn up with Chef. Mom, Shay, every day, Chef. Mom, Shay, get lit with Chef. Mom, Shay, whip it up with Chef. Mom, Shay, tear it up with Chef. Mom, Shay, chop it up with Chef. Mom, Shay, season it up with Chef. Mom, Shay, hey! I'm back up in the kitchen so y'all already know what time it is. Right here in this bowl, I got something sitting. I don't even know what I'm making for today. But I took out my seasonings because I got ready. And I got some chicken here and I just cleaned it. Some drums. I think we're going to make some chicken purloin. Let me rinse out this chicken. All right, fam, I'm going to season my chicken with all of these great seasonings you see here. Some salt, some garlic salt, some pepper, some turmeric, some kicking chicken, some ginger. We're going to put a little bit of everything you see in this chicken. And then I'm going to put it on the stove and get it to boiling. Yeah, so we're going to make some chicken purloin tonight. Something quick. It don't take too long, but it needs some time to cook. All right, I'm gonna leave these seasonings up here because sometimes people like, wait, I didn't get to see. I wanted to see what all you put in there. So I'm just gonna leave these seasonings stacked up so where you can really see, you know, what I'm putting in here, okay? How about that? All right. Kicking chicken. Give it a little spice. We're going to make this chicken purloin just a little spice. A little dab of turmeric. It's going to be some delicious chicken. You hear me? Delicious chicken. Then I'm going to take these chicken cubes and I'm going to drop 2 of these chicken cubes over in the water. I already got my water on. It's ready. I always got to throw in some of these, some rosemary flakes, some thyme. And that's how we're going to do that thing. Do that thing, do that thing, do it, do that thing, do that thing, do it, do that thing, do that thing, do it. Let's go put this on the stove, family. Okay, family, while the chicken is chickening, we're going to cut up some onions and bell peppers to get those thrown in there as well. Ladies, we're ready for our performance. Okay. Performers to the stage. Please introduce yourself. Your name?
My name is what?
Your name?
My name is Zorian.
And what do you do, Zorian?
Get up my feet.
Say, I dance. And what do you do, Zorian?
I dance.
No, you have to say, I dance. And what do you do, Zorian?
I dance.
If she not her mother's child. Well, I thought you was going to dance for it.
Why would I
Don't. Okay, I'm going to throw in these onions.
Why they so big? Gotta cut them up some more.
Onions.
I got it in the broccoli.
All right. Little bell pepper.
Do you like this?
You want to give a selection?
What do you mean?
Come give a selection.
What's the selection?
You know when the kids don't go to church when they don't know what the selection is. Give us a selection.
I know what the selection is.
A song.
So I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Can you hear freedom? Can you hear freedom calling, calling us to something? Gonna take our people home.
Do it again.
So I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river.
it you that pray? I'm
calling me to answer.
You did amazing. All right, let's add this in. Okay, family, my chicken is almost done. Before I put in the rice, I'm gonna also add in this diced tomatoes and green chives. All right, we're gonna let that cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes. I'm gonna throw in some white rice. Let the white rice cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, and I'm gonna turn it off and just let it steam while the broccoli is cooking, and then I'm gonna come right back to you, and we're gonna get these plates. Get these plates. Get these plates. Get these plates. It's the way the kids looking at me. For me, I can't do nothing in peace, not even cook for them. Family, my dinner is all complete and it is looking absolutely delicious. Get into it. Real quick and easy to cook for the kiddos after school. All right, after school, after work. Y'all get into it, okay? And thank y'all for watching this video, that video, the other video, the next video. Thank you. Y'all go ahead and like, share, subscribe, follow, comment, share, post, send, pin, then, bend, them. And thank y'all. Y'all won't have some? Let me share. Bye.